So we just made websites for the 4 of you and the rest of your classmates who are off camera. What did you guys think? So we started with a website. What were some of your thoughts?
Okay, well, I really enjoyed doing it. I thought that it was actually a lot of fun to just type up all these things and look back at old memories and get to you feel more prepared for now that you know that what you're looking for and stuff.
That's awesome. Other comments?
I felt like I kind of am worried about college, how I'll set up a resume and everything, and I feel a lot more organized and feel like I have a place put what I do, and I can start documenting what I care about now.
Do you think middle school is a good age to do this? You were in 8th grade. Did you feel comfortable?
Yeah, I felt like I got a head start, and maybe I got myself started before other people did, so I'll have that upper hand.
Did you feel like you had to have everything figured out to do this today? Charlie, you built an awesome little website for yourself. Did you feel like you had to have everything together, or were you able to start piecing it on your own?
I think I was able to start doing it on my own once you just started explaining a little bit to us. It was pretty easy once we just got our main basics down, and then we could just write about whatever we wanted for each category. It was a lot of fun.
That's awesome. Thanks, guys, so much. Have a great day.